Likelihood ratio test stats models. In stats models, ordinary least squares have likelihood ratio test implemented. That is not true for the generalized linear model, GLM. I tried to implement copying the ALS implementation. It looks straightforward, but the fact that this is not implemented make me suspicious. Is this correct?
I don't see any problem. Generalized linear models are maximum likelihood models, if the scale is the one implied by the family. Statsmodels.glm doesn't currently implement quasi-likelihood methods where the scale can deviate from those of the underlying family, for example over dispersed Poisson, so the likelihood ratio test can be applied. Implementation detail: compare_LR_ test was supposed to be added for all likelihood models, but I didn't check whether it's correct, or raises exception, for all models that inherit from it.